Hi guys, welcome to our JWell factory and headquarters in Changzhou. Although JWell was founded in 1997, we have been in the screw and barrel field since 1978. In 2013, the JWell Changzhou factory was founded for prompt after-sales response to our customers from central China. Our best-selling products are our PP melt-blown fabric line. For more information, go to our website www.polynk.com. Hi, my name's Tudor, and today I would like to introduce the melt-blown production line to you. So, due to the current pandemic, masks are becoming more and more essential, and this is in countries around the world. Unfortunately, a lot of these masks tend to be of poor quality, and this is due to an important factor contributing to the effectiveness of the face mask, which is its middle layer, referred to as the melt-blown layer. That's why I will be introducing our melt-blown fabric equipment to you. So we're going to start with a brief introduction of the technical process of the melt-blown production line. The following picture is a process flowchart of the melt-blown production line. As you can see, this is a single screw extruder where you can place PP raw materials and electrode master batch. They are melted and reacted through the extruder, then impurities are filtered by the melt filter. The melt is precisely delivered by the metering pump and then flows to the melt-blown die head, where the spinning is driven by hot air. So the melt is then collected on the web forming collector and treated by electric equipment. Finally, these fabrics are slit and rewound. So next we move on to some of the components within the equipment. The first part is the feeding system. It includes 3 dosing hoppers, which can feed 1,500 MFR PP melt-blown raw materials, 1 to 3% electric master batch, and another 1 to 3% additives such as antioxidants. At present, there are 3 dosing feeding methods, so a compact type loss in weight feeder, volumetric feeding, and gravimetric dosing system. We often use a multi-component volumetric feeder in our melt-blown lines due to its simple structure. So the multi-component feeding system has 3 hoppers. The central part is for the PP raw materials, and the other 2 parts are for the color master batch. So the ratio of color master batch is very small, thus it can be added manually. Its ratio is the same as the extruder speed and can therefore be adjusted according to the extruder speed. Another feeding method is the gravimetric system. Its main PP material feeding adopts a weight measurement system, and the side feeding adopts the volumetric feeding method, which has higher precision. So finally, we have the compact type loss in weight feeder. The materials such as color master batch, electrode master batch, additives, and main materials adopt a weight measurement system. So its ratio is controlled by a gravimetric system, which provides a very high degree of feeding accuracy. Now, we've finished on our introduction of the feeding system and general overview of the melt-blown production line. Next, we will be looking at the structure of the extruder, along with a suitable compression ratio of the screw and melt filters. I'll see you next time.